Well, the owner of Ace has got another Corvair for sale. It's a 1965 Corvair. It's a little less than $9,000. That's not bad. It's a real pretty melon yellow, which is a really in color right now for the season. It's popping for summertime cruising. Convertible. Nice paint job. Got the gas tank up front because as always the motor's in the back. The interior looking pretty sweet. Black interior. Pretty slick looking car. Got some nice tires on it. Could put some nice rims on it and spiff it up more. Pretty classic looking as is. These Corvairs always sell over here in Watsonville, California. Down here at the East Lake Village Ace. Watsonville, California. Pretty sweet looking car. It's nice. It's a beautiful day. Cruiser. Get 4 people in here for a night out on the town in your 1965 Corvair. There's the phone number in case you're interested. I'm sure he's into making a deal. Looks like the tires are brand new. Looks like the windshield wipers are even brand new. Nice looking car. Very sweet. So cruise on down. Hook up with the guy at Ace, the owner, and make him an offer. As always, have a beautiful day. And thanks for watching. If you enjoy our content, the best way to support us is to become a member or buy something from the shops.